Good morning, or whatever it is, wherever you are. Oh, all right. So I think one of the problem here might be not so much an OBS problem as I started using the like make desktop app thing of the browser. So I started doing this. Actually, let's just disconnect here to keep things cleaner. And I see this is not happy with me. It is not, well, it was kind of bad timing. But, I'm gonna have to see how to debug these things. Now this is not an app of my local well, okay, so that's other issue we have here is local versus remote. OBS mic check. So we go into that one. Oh. Maybe this is actually a website versus local host issue versus local file issue. All right, I need to get this back. Too many chats. Well, that is extremely frustrating. All right, well, let's see if both of these can connect. But you have to do that. So you're happy and you're not. So let's see if we're getting like not you. An explicit error message. Actually, I guess what I need is network. Oh, no, I'm all. This is just with WebSocket connections, right? Oh, it's probably a single connection. WebSocket. So we actually have to go into the WebSocket. Okay, get mute false. Podcaster audio. Oh, that one needs to have its alarms turned off. Muted true. So WebSocket. Well, we have to log in. Yep. No. Network. WebSocket. Wait. CS2, thank you for the host. Wait, where? Oh, because I had to reload. Right. Okay, so there's no avoiding that. That should still be the same connection, essentially. Get mute. What? Oh, this has to be my error then. Because that is saying muted false. And the state is changing. Oh. And this only happens on the live version. Is it possible that I haven't uploaded a fix? I mean, this is like a pretty basic feature. So it's like the data's getting back, but I can't... That's going to be really frustrating if I have to upload every single time I have to debug something. All right. Well, let's try getting a reactor going to see if it is a local file versus a web server thing. I actually need a new one of these. Reactor. And right now, I just want a server. Public. Oh, this might have an old password saved for that site. Yeah, that works. Oh, this has old settings too. All right, let's just turn that off real quick. All right, so what we really care about here is that we care about... Well, no, actually you. Oh, there was chat. Or is it just... Oh, there was chat. I wish I knew what that... Let's see if that's a chat alarm. Okay, that is in the alarm state because it is not detecting. Actually, that should be. Or wait a minute. Is this okay? No, this is where I control it. I actually need to get a visualization mode back in here, I guess, so I can just see what I'm receiving. What we're seeing here is that I'm in the default state, which is alarm if muted. So we do that. Oh. Okay, so the ones on my local host are, well, all right, so quick check here. Get history. All right, last updated on 12/29. Let me check where what my upload date was. Okay, uploaded on January 6th. Actually, that reminds me, it's possible I had to do some tweaks when I did that, and I haven't touched it here since. So let's etch, okay, this does not appear to have any update tools. Actually, I just probably do. Okay, I definitely fetched something there. Is it minus phi to show? How do I show the branches on all other repositories? List, existing branches, remote. Is it minus phi? Oh. But, okay, it is the same despite fetching it. So there have been no, I didn't do anything on my laptop. So it was technically compiled with something different. Why is it not working here? Yeah, unfortunately, I'm set up to update my website from my laptop. And I guess I could reconfigure things to do some work there. Because I essentially have to add debugging to the program, upload it to the website, and then debug it there. And I'm going to have to be debugging against the OBS on PC. Well, there was an update on OS X that I could check localhost there. So we're getting the data back. It is an actual error. Are we able to store? Is it preventing me from doing local storage? Wait. Oh no, rule set is what this ended up being called. Yeah, so that's been saving and restoring fine, and I'm not even saving this data. So it's not you, there's no errors. Alright, well, the only way to debug this right now is to get it building on... Or if there's someplace else I could upload it to. I think... I can poke at something here. Let's, let me try something real quick. I know I saw somebody using Dropbox as a quick debugging method for that stuff, so do something like public. I'm pretty sure all that stuff is ancient. All right. So if oh, because that was I reused the same window. Grab. So I don't know exactly if that's gonna like put Dropbox info on the screen or anything. Documents. Let me check. Public. Put that in there. And then okay, Dropbox doesn't add any. Oh, wait, there's a. Okay, there's not. I guess that's just a name. All right, so the Dropbox client doesn't add anything to it. Files. Getting all the pop-ups here. Public. I guess they haven't synchronized yet. All right, well, if that's not uploading, then it's not even going to be useful. All right, so that turns out is not a quick way to get something online. All right, well, the only way to deal with this is going to be on the laptop. Well, or I go get some sort of FTP program set up, which will be just as much of a diversion. All right, are all the alarms off here? Yep. All right, looks like I'm going to have to go get set up where I can change the code and upload it to here in order to see any kind of basic debugging information. Actually, what does my model look like? Because if I compile it with debugging information, connected app mode, all sources, got the rules. Ah, yeah, OBS state. So probably there. So if I can, well, actually, that's something I can. What is it? Debug. And then we go. Okay, first of all. What? Yep, that was right. Quit. Is that because it was set executable? Okay, so don't know what that was about. And then that was actually this. It needs to restart. It needs to rerun. Oh. Oh, because that's the actual in the space of the argument. I guess that's has to be before the argument. What the heck? Output. Okay, output then debug. I guess it's picky about order. Not something you usually see in command line tools. What the heck? What the heck? Acceptable arguments. Any file. Oh. What? What changed? Was it? Did the way watch works change? I copy-pasted the exact command. Directory, ignore directory files, ignore directory pattern. Oh, really? Oh, it's a shell command, not a program. Okay. Okay. Actually, what I want to do, I guess, is say no, because then I have to do watch x.bat. Sure. Bin. Or batch file? Alright. This could be kind of starting to get to the root of the path issues. Oh, bin. Okay, so it does have to be that one. Would you kindly read only? It doesn't exist because for some reason these are becoming read only. Now you are existing. So did it run it or did it not run it? Not recognized as an internal... What? So if I run that, I get the path. It's the wrong one. But shell commands, oh, maybe, that's actually this Windows Y. Oh my gosh, everything is ruined. Reopen all the OBS windows, all the chat windows, all the terminal windows. Oh my gosh. Why would you do that? Dropbox still hasn't synchronized. How do I log out of this thing? Sign out. All right. Batch print working directory. %cd%. So it's just not a... Yeah, actually do have to put it in a file. I guess we're going to have to echo. Maybe if it's because of default echo, that will... No job control. Okay, we have to set it. And then maybe we can echo it. Oh, no, we have to echo working directory. Oh, probably because of the Ming32 shell. Oh my gosh. What even? Okay, but that's not the environment we're actually running in. I mean, I could... Okay. All right, so the working directory, if I run it that way, is what I think it should be. Which means that monitor, I'll make source, output public, should... Well, we know that... Does that work? So that works. But if we bin monitor, which I've been... What the heck? Oh, I took my debug statement out. We have to write banged. Oh, maybe I didn't actually fix it. Okay, I had a bad syntax in there, and I never actually saved it. Because for whatever reason, these are getting marked as read-only. It's bizarre. Alright, so now my local version, just for proof of concept purposes is... Actually, this one's a little bit better because I can... no, that's windable. This I need to go update the password for. So if I go to one of these and I get copy password, no, not you. Edit. Oh, I have to double edit. Okay, fine. Oh, this is an old thing from something else entirely. OBS, no username. Alright, so now if I do log out, connect, log in as OBS. Okay, cool. This is the one running off of here. I do not see debug though. Maybe I didn't reload it. Okay, there we go. So that is the debug version. So that actually works. Well, I guess let's try it once quickly, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to have to go set up my laptop. So I am going to be sort of away for a moment here. All right. Unfortunately, that password might be in the history, but you have to get onto my computer to use it, and I can reset it later. All right, so now I have to test. Maybe I updated the local files and forgot to hit upload to web? All right, does that work without debugging? Oh, and I keep to put BRB off as I go up and down. Wait, no changes. Alright, I guess we'll have to force a recompile. Monitor, remove that. Alright, OS X tabs tricky these days. Oh wow, it actually cares about leading space. Alright, so I got you. Alright. Copy the file, paste the file, replace the file. Please upload the file. Thank you. That still has debugging turned on. Do I have to have debugging tools open to like force a reload or something? No, I'm still getting debugging. Oh, I'm on too many windows. Oh, and then I saw it working because I was on the wrong stinking window. Alright, gotta turn debugging back on. Alright. That did not load debugging. Oh, okay, so that... The time codes in here don't make sense. Anyway. Maybe it's getting rid of status messages. All right, let's load that locally and see if that actually has debugging. All right, that file has it, so it is not. All right, so what I need here is a trivial change to see if perhaps the debug tools are refusing to load in public pages. At which point, we're pretty much going to have to set up to do stuff here. All right, so studio. I'm probably just going to have that here, because we are bouncing between things. You're probably going to be down around there. All right, I'm going to be bouncing back and forth, which actually, that reminds me, I need to fix the mic for that. Da, 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 da. All right, that looks a little... Windows. Did you reset my master volume again? No, it's not the configure I wanted. No? Okay, well, no. Okay, that's looking sane now. Got a little bit... Oh, still pretty wacky. Okay. Oh, no, this is here that's green now. So this is the state I have that's a little weird. Okay, so yeah, so let's just remove that from all of them, maybe? So there's no state that references that? Wait. I need to get back to a debug view that can just see what the current state of things is, I guess. Something's weird here. And some of these are supposed to be all. Maybe it was that one. I can look at that one. Yeah, you're supposed to be an all. Or, well, an empty rule might default to that. Okay. Did I just click the wrong button sometime? No, because it also broke in the other scenes. It got weird in the other scenes. So if we do a not really. Maybe I just clicked any sometime when I was looking at something. And that is... Somebody joined the group. All right, so now does the local application version work? All right. So apparently it was just a misclick somewhere. So I guess the real fix here is to get better UI for debugging those kind of problems. That might be a bigger project than I want to take time for right now. Oh, in fact, I wanted to get some exercise today, which means I pretty much need to switch over right now. And then tomorrow I'll work on the OBS script, because I noticed I left some debugging in there, and there's a couple things that like don't kind of make sense. All right, so, oh wait, did I leave? Oh shoot, I left. That's why I don't like doing that. All right, I leave the wrong screen up when I'm doing stuff all the time. All right, so coding stream is actually over. And I don't really, my BRB timer is too short for this to actually work, is the catch there. All right, so I am going to temporarily drop stream. I'm going to turn off YouTube because I'm going to be doing stuff with music and Stepmania. It's not coding, so if you're here for coding, thanks for watching. But I'm going to be doing a little bit of Stepmania, which is an open source like DDR or dance game thing, to get my sort of weekly exercise. And then probably tomorrow I'm going to be looking at OBS script to clean up some debug statements, get rid of a button that doesn't work the way I thought it did, and see if there's anything else I need to tweak while I'm there. And at some point, I'll be back to the Stepmania modding and getting back to here to figure out a way to make what was apparently just a state error here, like showing which mic is currently in violation and how that goes up to help avoid user errors. Anyway, I will be back in a few minutes just for something very, very different. Thanks for watching. Let me get, that off.